15 million views in just 8 days, 6 million views in 7 days, and even more than 250 million views in a week. These are not exaggerations. This is the reality of where Roblox is right now, a veritable money-printing machine, and probably the simplest and most intelligent form of faceless content I've seen this year. What exactly do these channels do? Just recorded gameplay, an AI voice, and talking about trending topics or situations that everyone is curious about. That's it. No face-to-face, no complicated editing, no expensive tools. And the best part? The startup cost is almost zero. I spent the last week doing one thing: deeply analyzing these channels, reverse engineering their workflows, and running real-world tests to see if this model actually works at scale. The result is yes, it absolutely does. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step the exact process that these channels use to create those short viral videos that generate multi-figure income for their creators. I've been building faceless YouTube channels for years. I've learned a lot, tried dozens of different workflows, and tested a variety of content formats. But these Roblox snarky videos have one thing in common: incredibly high monetization potential with minimal complexity. Most of these channels started just a few months ago, but they've already racked up hundreds of millions of views, and that's with videos that are incredibly simple from a technical perspective. That's exactly why the algorithm loves them. Roblox gameplay is just a backdrop, a blank canvas to hold the viewer's eye. Usually something very simple. But even if it's just a backdrop, its quality still matters, because along with a strong hook and the right topic, it's these details that turn an ordinary video into a viral one. Like the video, then let's get to the tutorial. Now the next step is very simple. Log into the ChatGPT site. I will provide you with the site link in the video description. After that, copy the prompt I posted on Telegram and paste it here. Just by doing this, ChatGPT will prepare the best and most attractive titles for your video in a few seconds. After the titles are created, go to the next prompt. Copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Now from the titles that have been created, choose whichever one you liked the most and paste it into the second prompt. At this moment, ChatGPT will automatically create a complete and professional script for your video, without thinking too much, without complicated writing, and without wasting time. In a few moments, you will have an attractive, smooth, and ready-to-record script, a script that is precisely designed to get high views and keep the audience. Now visit Fish Audio. I've included the link to this site in the video description. Honestly, this is one of the most powerful and high-quality AI voice production sites I've seen to date. The sound quality on this site is strangely realistic, so much so that if someone doesn't know, they won't even realize it's AI voice. This is exactly what gives your video credibility, and makes the audience stay longer, listen longer, and watch the video to the end. Fish Audio is a golden tool for videos made without a face. You just put the script you created with ChatGPT into it, choose the voice you want, and in a few seconds you'll receive a professional narration. No noise, no artificial tone, and no need to record with a microphone. If your goal is to create videos that look real and can compete with the big channels, this site will really take your work to the next level. Now that you are logged in, click on the text-to-speech section from the main menu. After that, insert the script you prepared with ChatGPT into this section completely. In the next step, enter the voice selection section. Here you will see a large collection of different voices, from natural voices to voices with the tones of famous people and different styles. For this tutorial, we choose Adam's voice, because his tone is very natural, clear, and ideal for educational and viral videos. Now just click on the Generate Play button. In a few seconds, your narration voice will be ready. A very high-quality, clear, and completely professional voice that sounds exactly like the voice of a real speaker. Now, to make your work even easier, I have put free Roblox videos in the Telegram channel completely free of charge. You can use these videos without any restrictions and apply them directly in your own projects. Now that you have your audio and video ready, go into your video editing program. It doesn't matter if you're using CapCut or any other editing software. The steps are pretty much the same in all of them. First, import the audio you created with Fish Audio into the timeline and place it as the main pillar of the video. All the rhythm, cuts, and scene changes should be based on this audio, not the other way around. This will make the video look more natural, professional, and engaging for the audience. Next, import all of your Roblox videos into the project. Now before anything else, set the aspect ratio of your video. If you're working on YouTube Shorts, set it to 9:16 portrait. This is very important, as it directly affects the playback and the algorithm. Now we get to the main part of the work. Bring each video one by one onto the timeline, and zoom in a little. Not so much that the image is ruined, just enough to create a sense of movement and dynamism. These close zooms will keep the viewer's eyes from tiring, and will subconsciously follow the video to the end. After zooming, divide each clip into shorter segments and place them at different times. Try to have a scene change every few seconds, even if the subject hasn't changed. This small change in the image will keep the viewer's brain engaged. Now we come to one of the most important parts of a video, the part that directly affects audience retention and virality: subtitles. Go to the captions section of your video editing program. If you use CapCut, this section offers you a lot of great features. First of all, choose an attractive and legible subtitle style, one that is simple, has a clear font, and is easy to see on mobile. After choosing a style, enter the subtitle text. But here's a very important tip. Place the subtitle text exactly according to the script and audio of the video, not in long paragraphs. Write each sentence short, fast, and punchy. The subtitles should appear simultaneously with the audio and show exactly what is being said at that moment. When the audio pauses, the subtitles should also change. This coordination will help even users who have turned off the sound to stay until the end of the video. It's best to break sentences into a few keywords and place them in the middle of the video or slightly below the center of the screen, where the viewer's eye naturally falls on them. This simple technique will engage the attention between the image, text, and audio simultaneously. If you want to be more professional, you can highlight important words by changing their size, bolding, or using a different color. But don't overdo it. The goal is to emphasize intelligently, not clutter. Remember, short, snappy, and in sync with the audio are one of the main secrets to the success of this style of video. It's these small details that will keep the viewer from scrolling and watching your video to the end. Now enter the voice changer section. This is exactly where you can change the narration voice to different voices and make it stand out from the rest. This step is optional, but if done right, it can make your video many times more interesting. In this section, you will divide the audio of your video from the beginning to the end into shorter segments. Cut each sentence or each important part separately. This will give you complete control over the tone of the voice and will make the video not monotonous. After cutting, apply a different sound effect to each segment. You can make the voice a little thinner, double some parts, or make minor changes to create a sense of variety and shock to the sound. Exactly what I did in this video. These small changes will keep the audience from getting tired and staying with you until the end of the video. Be careful not to overdo it. The voice change should sound natural, not exaggerated. The goal is to make the sound different and interesting, not to distract the audience from the content. Once you have set up all the parts, play the entire video from start to finish once, and check the final result. If everything is in order, you are done. Thank you for sticking with me until the end of this video. If this tutorial was useful to you, be sure to like the video and follow the channel so you don't miss the next tutorials. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Now let's watch the video we made together.
Bro, why does every nap feel like you just time traveled through a black hole?
Like I close my eyes at 3 p.m. and wake up in a different season.
I swear I'm just like, I'll rest my eyes for 10 minutes.
Boom! I wake up drenched in sweat, phone at 2%.
Sun gone, and my soul completely rebooted. You ever wake up from a nap and forget your own name? Like I'm sitting there trying to remember what year it is.
And somehow the room looks different. My blanket's on the floor.
There's a weird taste in my mouth. I check my phone, 17 missed calls.
3 texts that say you alive, and 1 from my mom that just says 1.
The worst part, that nap hangover. You wake up
Thinking you just fought for your life in a dream you can't even explain.
Then you stand up, all confident like,
okay, back to productivity, and your body just refuses. You're walking around like a zombie that's been unplugged. Moral of the story, naps don't recharge you. They respawn you in a parallel universe.